All right, question 4. Consider the following claim about positive integers a, b, and c. So, if-then statement, right? If a is a factor of bc, then a is a factor of b, or a is a factor of c. Okay, so in this statement, I suppose, there's some invisible brackets, right? You have to, read it like this, right? If blah, then that chunk, right? Okay, so we need a counterexample, right? Which of the following provides a counterexample to the claim? So again, counterexample to an if-then statement, I need first bit to be true, and then second bit to be false. All right. Now this time there's a bit of complicated stuff here, right? Because there's an or in between. Okay, so if I need this statement to be false, then I need both of these little statements to be false, false, right? Because only false or false gives me false, right? If either one is true, then this whole thing is true, right? That's the truth table of the or function. All right. Okay. So let's see. Option 1. If a is a factor of bc, right? So so what's bc? Bc is 200, right? So 5 is a factor of 200. That's correct. So first bit is okay. How about the second bit? Then a is a factor of b, or a is a factor of c. Well, both of them are true, right? 5 is a factor of 10, and 5 is a factor of 20, right? So option 1, not a counterexample. Cool. Okay. 2. If a is a factor of bc, so if 8 is a factor of 16, yes, that's true, right? Then a is a factor of b, or a is a factor of c. So 8 is not a factor of 4, and then the same thing. 8 is also not a factor of 4, so 2 is good. 2 is good. All right, so 2 is a counterexample. 3 then. If a is a factor of bc, so if 6 is a factor of 84, which it is, I think, yes. Okay, then a is a factor of b, or a is a factor of c. So I need both of them to be false, right? So 6 is not a factor of 7, that's okay. But then 6 is a factor of 12, right? 6 is a factor of 12. So 3 is not a counterexample to the claim. So final answer 2 only. So C again, same as last question.